Hello friends, in this video we will see the changed schedule of TCS Code Vita Season 9 and Mock Vita 2 tentative schedule, and also we found many students asking in comments that they have registered but they did not get the mail, what they should do now. So here we will try to address these three issues. So firstly, let us remind you that Code Vita Season 9 registration ends on 5th July by 6:30. So if you have not registered yet, register it immediately. And who have already registered, if you have seen previous dates, TCS Code Vita Season 9 pre-qualifier round actually should start on 10th July to 25th July. But due to Corona pandemic, the new dates are, it starts, pre-qualifier test starts on 9th August and ends on 30th August. Likewise, round 2, round 3 dates are also shifted, which you can find here, and the test pattern remains the same. Pre-qualifier you can take from your own place like home, college, etc. Second round also the same, it is online. Third, you have to go to a place where they say. So this is about TCS Code Vita changed dates. Then regarding Mock Vita 2, if you have taken Mock Vita 1 already, you should have got enough exposure to how the actual TCS Campus Commune interface looks like. Likewise, we also urge you to participate in TCS Mock Vita 2, which is tentatively planned on 17th July and 18th July. But official announcement is yet to be awaited. More or less, Mock Vita 2 will be conducted on these two dates. Then lastly, many students are saying that they have registered for TCS Campus Commune or TCS Code Vita, but they did not get mail. Friends, like we shared in our previous video, which I am showing the card here, in that video we explained step-by-step process to register for TCS Code Vita Season 9. Step 1 is registering in Campus Commune. This campuscommune.tcs.com, here you have to register. If you have registered already but if you did not get the mail, then we suggest you to go to this link again, and here if you remember your CT and DT reference number, you can mention here. If you don't remember them, you can enter your registered email ID also. Many students are complaining, asking in comments that they did not record their CT number or DT number when they registered in Campus Commune. Let us tell you that CT or DT reference number is a user credential which will be generated to every candidate on successful registration to Campus Commune portal, not TCS Code Vita event, Campus Commune portal. So it is one-time registration process. If you don't remember that number, you can also use your email ID. So not getting a mail should not be a problem. But the problem here, the issue here is you should remember the password which you have given while you are registering for TCS Campus Commune. But if you can remember the password what you have given, then even if you don't record or remember your CT or DT reference number, it should not be a problem for you. You can log in directly. But if you remember your CT DT reference number but you forgot your password, then you can go to forgot password here. Here it is shown. If you are new to registration, then you can go to new user. If you did not get the mail, if you don't remember CT or DT reference number and you cannot log in, then at a worst case, because we have only one day left for registration, If response did not come from TCS side, if you even went for forgot password, then you can register. Just in case if you are very much interested in participating in TCS CodeVita, you can go for new user again, but you have to use new email ID when you are trying to register here. But remember, this is not advisable on ethical grounds, but because of some very genuine reasons, if you forgot your credentials, if you are very passionate about working in TCS, then you can go for new registration, click on new user and register again. But friends, remember, registering for Campus Commune is different, registering for TCS CodeVita is different. If you click on new user here and if you try to register on this page, because I am opening on mobile so it is not showing, but I can anyway open the desktop site just to give you a quick. So you should select IT here, and it will take you to a form. You should be already knowing this. So you should use a new email ID here which you did not use earlier. So on filling this form, here you are also asked to enter password. So this is the password I am talking about. So if you finish it, if you finish this step successfully and if you click on submit, then CT and DT reference number will pop out and you have to write or just take a snap of those numbers and remember the password. Write the password immediately so that you will not forget in future. And this form is registration, step 1, registration for TCS Campus Commune. And after successfully registering for TCS Campus Commune, then you can go to contests page, or you can go to the link what I am showing here. Go to TCS CodeVita and then click on register. Because I did not log in here, so it is asking for my login credentials. So if I remember my CT, DT reference number or my email ID and password, I can log in here and it will successfully register. And after registration, if you scroll down here in this part, you will see your username and password for TCS CodeVita. Remember, TCS Campus Commune password is different, TCS CodeVita password is different. TCS Campus Commune password is it is you give the password. TCS CodeVita password will be generated on screen here itself. Both are different. So many comments came asking this difference. So hope this video helps you in the last minute. Wish you all the best. We hope that majority of viewers should get selected, should crack TCS pre-qualifier test and attend interview and get job in TCS. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video.